What if I told you that removing part of your cucumber plant could actually help you harvest many more cucumbers? It may sound surprising, but these two simple gardening tricks can dramatically increase production. The best part is that the same methods also work for melons, pumpkins, bottle gourds, snake gourds, bitter gourds, and many other climbing vegetables. The first trick is to pinch off the growing tip of the main vine once it reaches about 2 to 3 feet in length. Many gardeners hesitate to do this because they think a longer vine will produce more cucumbers. In reality, the opposite often happens. When you remove the growing tip, the plant stops putting all its energy into one long stem. Instead, it begins producing several healthy side branches. These side branches are where most cucumber varieties develop the highest number of female flowers. Since female flowers are the ones that turn into cucumbers, more side branches usually mean more flowers and, eventually, a much bigger harvest. A bushier plant also has many more leaves to capture sunlight. Those extra leaves produce more energy through photosynthesis, allowing the vine to grow stronger and support a heavier crop throughout the season. Now let's look at the second trick, and this is one that many gardeners find difficult. When your cucumber plant is still young, remove its first flowers and any tiny baby cucumbers that appear. It may feel like you're giving up your first harvest, but you're actually investing in a much larger harvest later. Early fruits demand a huge amount of the plant's energy. Water, nutrients, and sugars are redirected into growing those cucumbers instead of building strong roots and healthy vines. As a result, the plant often stays smaller and produces fewer cucumbers over its lifetime. By removing those early flowers and fruits, you encourage the plant to focus on developing a deeper root system and stronger vines. Healthy roots absorb more water and nutrients, while larger vines produce more leaves to create food for the plant. Once the vine is fully established, it can easily support a much heavier crop without becoming exhausted. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't build the roof before laying a strong foundation. In the same way, a cucumber plant needs strong roots and vigorous vines before it starts carrying dozens of fruits. Once your plant has developed plenty of healthy leaves and strong side branches, stop removing flowers. From this stage onward, allow every healthy female flower to develop into a cucumber. The plant now has enough strength to produce continuously for weeks. These two simple techniques take only a few minutes, yet they can make an incredible difference in your harvest. Instead of getting just a handful of cucumbers early in the season, you'll grow a healthier, stronger vine that keeps producing fresh cucumbers for much longer. If you're growing melons, pumpkins, bottle gourds, bitter gourds, snake gourds, or other climbing vegetables, use these same methods on them as well. You'll encourage stronger plants, more flowers, and a bigger, more productive harvest, all without spending extra money on fertilizers or expensive garden products.